our main goal with this course is to give our students the capacity to tackle complex tasks in the AEC industry and automation, right? So what happens with most people is that they need to handle a lot of complex and heavy-duty tasks that can be, most of them can be automated or improved with digital processes, but they don't know the tools. So it's not only about the tools, they don't know how to think, how to establish a proper reasoning on how to achieve those goals. And that's part of the goal that we do in our course. Okay, so one of the things, the foundation is to teach them computational thinking, so that and how to implement that in the AEC industry in different methodologies. So one of them is generative design, another one is data analysis and design generation, and inspecting models, automation of tasks, all of these. So this is the main goal is to empower engineers and designers on how they can improve their work, okay, and reduce the time it takes them to do certain tasks as well. Defining instructions, sets of instructions that a machine can execute, and how to connect them. So basically it's like putting it in a very, very simplistic manner. It's like defining a recipe for a meal in a way that the computer knows how to prepare that meal. So an algorithm is something like this. So you have, it's creating, it's communicating with the machine, so creating a program, so writing code, so it's a textual operation, so that the machine knows how to follow a certain set of rules in a certain order to achieve a result. And we had at least 1 or 2 students who actually changed professions. Some of them started their own companies. So they were working as a designer for a company elsewhere, just doing typical either architect or engineering tasks. And they realized that there was a gap in the market and they could offer something else to the market. And they started a new company doing that, exactly that. And so as far as I know, they're being successful about it. So that's one of the things that we also try to convey to students, is that we're showing them the tools and teaching them the tools for them to have a larger spectrum of activity. So they don't need to be an architect who does houses or an engineer that does a specific thing. They can completely redesign and shift their profession upside down. They can do something else entirely. They can create a new way of working, a new application, and they have the tools to do that after finishing our course.